Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to see how to get a custom crosshair on Nintendo Switch in 2025. Step 1. Understanding the limitation. Currently, Fortnite on Nintendo Switch doesn't support a custom crosshairs. The game offers a default crosshair that adjusts in size based on the weapon blow, which can't be customized. Step 2. Exploring alternative methods. Some players have suggested using a mobile device with a controller connected via HDMI to a monitor, allowing the use of custom crosshairs through a third-party apps. However, these setups can be complex and might not provide the same seamless experience as native support. Step 3. Staying within the game guidelines. It's important to note that using a third-party applications or modifications can violate Fortnite's term of service. Such actions may lead to account penalties or bans, so proceed with caution. Step 4. Embracing the default crosshair. Given the current limitations, it's advisable to adapt to the default crosshair provided by Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch. Focusing on improving aim and gameplay skills can be more beneficial than seeking customization. Final thoughts. While the desire for a custom crosshair is understandable, it's essential to work within the game provided settings and focus on enhancing your gameplay skills. Feel free to share your experience or ask questions in the comment below. Happy gaming!